So welcome back, Alex here again, and in this video we are going to start our elevations. So do I mean by elevations? So I'll just show you just one of my drawings. So this is what I mean by elevation. You can see the right side view of the house, the left side, the approach, and also as well the elevation of the rear view of the house. So elevation simply means drawing what the house that you've drawn, the 2D of the house, and just making a representation of how it's going to look whenever the house is being built. So we already have the plan already, but how do you want the house to look like when it's being built? So that is what elevation is, and that is what we are going to step right into, and we're going to be doing something like this. So in this video, we are going to be dealing with just only the approach view, which is the front view of the house. So let's dive into that. So to do that, well, we are going to do this in a simple approach by using our line, and also how we use an offset of 3000. And you would ask me, why am I using an offset of 3000? Well, it depends on what your clients want and also the standard at your country or your region. So what this is meant for or used for is to is the elevation of the house, that is from the floor ground of the house to the place at which the roof is going to be, or the ceiling. So that is the elevation of 3000. So that is a standard one at my place where or my country or my region. So that's what I'm going to be using right here. So let's continue. So as you can see that I'm drawing lines. Actually, I would have used the extend line to bring out these lines that I'm drawing, but because I don't know why why it happens to be like this, but let us continue so that we won't be wasting our time. So it's not meant to be like this. It's meant to show the lines, as you can see from these other drawings that we have the lines, but due to some reason it's failed to show. So we are going to be drawing them with our manually. So what I'm specifically trying to do here is to bring out important places in the house. And you might ask, what are the important places? The important places are the edges, or where we see inside this house. For example, that we can see with our eyes. And that means or includes where the doors are going to be, also where the windows are, if we are going to find any. So okay, so I guess it's on it, or maybe a little bit close to it, or it's on it. So the first thing that we have to do is to get all our lines together. So we might as well put the window as well. After getting all this, we are going to, okay, we still have one more left. So after getting all those out, the next thing for us to do now is to trim the parts that we do not want. So if we do not want this part, so it's not useful for us. So these are the perimeters of the house only. So that's what we need. Then we offset now. So now I'm going to be using 900 offset, which is from the top and from the bottom. So this 900 offset is used for this upper part from here to here. Is used for the differences between the ceilings and the window, top of the window. Why from here to the down is for the bottom or the floor to the beginning of the window. So the next thing that we have to do now is to start layering out where or how we want it to be. So for example, if you look at here, we know that this side here is for the door. So that means that this part is going to leave. Sorry. So this part is going to leave. So this is for the door. And we do not need this as well as this. This is a column. So definitely, of course, we do need it. This space as well is a column. We need it. This we do not need. But if you look at this, is a window, isn't it? Yes, it is. So we removed this part to show the window. Now we are going to remove as well because this is a pillar or a column. So I'm just gonna remove this. Okay. Well, I could bring it back because we are going to, yes, something like this. So this is the door. So this door means that we are going to remove this as well as this. So then we do not need this. We do not need this. Then this is a pillar. So we do not need it as well. And also this small pillar here. Do not need it. So now that we have, so let me just do this and this. So now that we have this, so the next thing that we're going to do is to start showing how it's going to look like. So in the next video, we are going to do that. So thanks for watching and bye bye. See you in the next part.